case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The unfolding saga of Joseph Lopez, a man wrongfully arrested for murder in the city of Chicago, takes center stage in the courtroom drama of Lopez v. City of Chicago. Lopez, held captive for 5 nights and 4 days in an interrogation room without a proper hearing, filed a claim against the police department for violation of his constitutional rights and emotional distress that his predicament had induced. Without a warrant, but driven by probable cause, the Chicago policeman arrested Lopez, confining him to a windowless room shackled to a wall, a mind-numbing experience that led him to a false confession. Lopez was subsequently released when another individual confessed to the murder. In the ensuing legal tussle, the lower district court ruled in favor of Lopez, particularly on his claim that his Fourth Amendment right to a prompt judicial determination of probable cause had been blatantly violated. However, the court denied his motion for judgment on the constitutional claim regarding the duration of his detention, deeming it proportional due to extraordinary circumstances. Similarly, insufficient evidence prompted a denial to Lopez's claim of intentional emotional distress. Inevitably, Lopez appealed. The standard of review for a district court's decision to grant judgment as a matter of law fell under de novo. In the court's climactic verdict, they reversed the earlier decision. They reinstated that the Fourth Amendment necessitates judicial determination of probable cause before subjecting an arrestee to extended liberty deprivation. Moreover, they ruled that the district court had erred in not reviving Lopez's claim of unconstitutional confinement conditions. The case then was ordered for retrial, not limited to Lopez's shackling evidence, but inclusive of claims of unconstitutional confinement duration and intentional infliction of emotional distress. There was a consensus that defendants' control over Lopez's basic needs during his custody increased the likelihood of their conduct being construed as outrageous, intended to cause emotional distress. The police's failure to justify the delay by demonstrating the existence of an unusual circumstance meant that Lopez's constitutional right to prompt probable cause determination had been violated, thus subjecting him to judgment as a matter of law on his duration of confinement claim. Lopez was set to recover compensation for the unlawful duration of his confinement. The district court's judgment was thus reversed, looping back the case for further entry of judgment for Lopez on the duration of his confinement claim, alongside a retrial for his unconstitutional conditions of confinement claim, emotional distress claim, and the quantum for damages. Lopez was set to recover compensation for the unlawful duration of his confinement.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.